I've been using same model every day to get consistent profits and payouts. Today, you will learn the exact model to get your first or your next payout. What you will learn today, goal is to teach you right now repeatable and mechanical strategy that you can trade for consistent profits within 1 hour of the market open. So you will be only trading between 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, the proof, right? Although I'm not selling you anything here, it's completely free. You can watch my 100 plus live sessions on YouTube, and all of them is real time executed. No hindsight, everything is 100% transparent. So let's get into it. There are some crucial things you have to understand. This is a repeatable and this is a systematic strategy. And the second thing is, you need to understand sessions. The final is you need to understand the time concept. We will go over all of them very quickly. Bear with me because in this video, there are a lot of gems is ready to drop it for you. It's all written here. I have prepared this. I've been working on this video for 1 week now and it is ready for you. You have to trust the system. Remember, this is a systematic strategy and it's a repeatable, right? It happened yesterday, it happened last week, it happened last month. And guess what? It will happen tomorrow, it will happen next week, it will happen next month. Okay, we good on this? So after taking 2 loss, you will not give up, okay? Because this will happening every day and it's gonna happen every day. Let's continue. The day in the market. Woke up. I don't know where you are living, but whole day includes 3 sessions. Asia, London, New York. Okay? Just know this and we will take it from there. And all of those sessions will have high of the Asia, low of the Asia, high of the London, right? So you can see here, this purple ones is the Asia, blue ones the London, and this is the New York. It's so easy. So if you are just watching this video, I know you have the capability of successing in this strategy, okay? So the next thing is time. I always say time over everything. And the time is fractal. This is a 1 hour candle and this 1 hour candle contains 12 5-minute candles. But look at it. It's the same but different, right? So 5 minutes, this is 1 minute. Again, the fractal, right? Each 5-minute candle has 5 1-minute candle. Easy, right? So time is fractal. What are we going to do with this borsa? Relax. Target is always same on all time frames. London low will be the same on 1 minute, on 1 hour, on 15 minutes, right? It will never ever change. Bear with me. These are very important concepts. You have to understand those, but everything will come up together like a puzzle. So make sure you stick around. Time and execution, the most important question. We will be executing on 1 minute time frame and we will be trading between 9:30, which is New York market open, till 9:40. Yes, this strategy is tradable only in 10 minutes. Okay, Borsa, what is this? Tell us more. It's coming. Now, let's go to the whiteboard and I will show you step by step. Then I will take you to real life executions. Then I will drop some gems inside of this time zone. Shall we start, ladies and gentlemen? So 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is the market open, right? Everything starts here. What happens? If there is no red folder news or like unexpected news, 9:30 candle has one of the most volume injected minute of the day. And 3 things can happen inside of this time. Okay? This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So we will today learn the first scenario. And these 2, maybe I will shoot another video, just type in the comment, but I am teaching all of these models and more inside of my mentorship, which is in the control room. If you want to join, there is a link. Let's continue. The first scenario can happen is this one. Okay, Borsa, what is this? This candle is the first candle of the day, which is the 9:30 candle. And this one is the second candle of the day. Okay? And what you want to have on your chart is any type of imbalance. Like what? A fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, the volume imbalance, or the price gap. Any imbalance will work, okay? So in this scenario, we are now talking about the bearish fair value gap, let's say. As I told you earlier, I will show you a real life example. At 9:31, as you can see that the price opened, retested this bearish fair value gap. And what happened here? Let's zoom. It rejected back and candle closed below the 9:30. Okay? Now, the first bonus is dropping. When we are trading below the 9:30, you expect price will continue to go down until there is a candle closure above 9:30. Okay? This is just like a one little confirmation you can use, but there are a lot of times it will save you from blowing accounts, from missing the trade, so on, so on. You will learn it. Next candle, the second candle of the session, closed with the green bar. But remember, it closed below the 9:30, right? So the strategy is check, is on play. We're going down. What will happen? The third candle of the day, obviously this one, gave you the red, okay? And what you want to have is a target. Whether it is the downside, whether it is the upside. You can have here the London high, right? You can have here the London low. If you don't have, don't take it, okay? This whole strategy canceled, but there is a 99% of the time you will have it, and just not London low. We will have lot of liquidity levels, which I'm gonna show you in a coming minute, okay? So the strategy is quite simple. We are watching the market on 1 minute time frame, okay? So we have the bearish fair value gap, price trading below 9:30. Two confirmations, right? And what you want to do, not this candle, but with this candle closure, let's say it closed here, you will execute your short position somewhere here, okay? At the second candle. Where you want to target? Obviously, London low. And your stop loss will be above this bearish fair value gap, okay? Now, time to second bonus. You will always wait for candle closure before you closing or opening position. Got it? You feel? Now? Okay, let me teach you. So let's say the price come and traded above this fair value gap, and you have like 20 seconds till the candle closure. Okay, what do you want to do? You have to wait, my friend, because I have seen millions of time price comes back after I execute, retest, a deep retest into this bearish fair value gap and come back and fill my order. And this happens basically like 70% of the time. So if you just put your hard stop here, you will get stopped out every time you go into trade, because it's just not like A, B, C, right? The market repeats itself every day. I swear to God. But there is one thing. And that thing is they will wear every day different clothes, and they will wear every day different masks. So they will show you whole price section on a different way. But you will feel at some point that, oh, this is like a deja vu. I saw this candle before. I saw this move before, and that's what you will learn end of this video, okay? So here is the thing. You executed short, you got the deep retest, okay? And boom, target reached. London low. And what else you have? Previous day low. So a critical area here, and the reason is you want to close, okay? You executed a 5 contract here, right? This is a 5 contract. You will took out the 3 of them here, done. And I want you to leave 2 runners, okay? The one will be closing here, the second one to the next target. You will learn all the targets, do not worry. Let's say this is the midnight opening price, and you will close the final one. And what you want to do, after you took this partial, you will trail your stop to here. While the price goes down, you will trail your stop. Not aggressive. Let's talk about NQ. You will never ever take your trailing stop, right? Let's say you are in profit. You will never ever take it more than 10 points, okay? Or let's say like this. Third bonus. Trailing stop in profit, aka, right, will be never less than ATR of the 1 minute candle. My goodness, what are those bonuses, Borsa? Are you out of your mind? Is this free? Yes. Trailing stop will never be less than ATR. You will ride your trade. You will get all the profits here. Easy as it is. Let's continue going down. Oh, voila, that's me trading live on YouTube yesterday. Today is 18th of December and this is the live session. It's publicly available 17 December, okay? This is one of the record breaking day. We write this trade till the 500 ticks. Live, executed live, show you the live, everything is recorded, okay? You can see this trade beautifully. And it's not the point of this video, but we made a hell of a money, obviously. And this is not just yesterday. Remember, time, right? It happened last month. It will happen next month. So, Borsa, tell us more. Okay, so let's say you execute the trade. And what do you need? You got the confirmation. You got the candle closure below 930. You need a target, my friend. And what are those targets? Liquidity levels the target. Introducing. Okay, 830. Important. Midnight opening price. London high and low. Asia high and low. NWOG. NDOG. What are those? So the NWOG is the new week opening gap. Okay. And the NDOG is new day opening gap. Quite easy. Nothing to stress about. And one important thing. These two, you can use recent 5. Okay? The recent 5 gaps you can use as a liquidity level, as a target, as a stop loss, whatever you want. Previous day high and low is the final target. Like I said earlier, there is 99.9% chance that you will have one of those when you are executing the trade. If not, either we are at the all-time high, either market get halted. Yeah, now it's time for us to see all those trades in the real market. I'm inviting you to Trading With to show you the execution. Here we are, NASDAQ futures. Time is 9:28. In 2 minutes, market will open. And what you want to do is start watching market after 9:15. Or like you can watch the market after 9. But you don't have to have a daily bias to use this strategy, okay? Keep that in mind. So let's roll 2 more minutes and we will get a market open. Market has opened, right? And what do you see here? Tell me. There is one imbalance. It's smiling to us. The bearish fair value gap. Yes. Now, I want to activate my tools and indicators because they help a lot. I don't want to just draw London low, the new day opening gap, the hourly low, whatever it is, right? The fair value gaps. I use my own toolkit. It's from the care package. You can get access from the description if you want. But if you just want to draw everything manually here, it's completely up to you. Feel free to do that. So what we want to do is 9:30, right? We will wait one more candle. And this candle closed. Look at this beast over here. Deepest retest you will ever see. We're going for 5 contracts here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And let's zoom out and see what do we have. I see London low here. I see NDOGs here, I see midnight opening price here. And if you just zoom out more, you can see the previous day PM low and AM low. Beautiful short opportunity here, right? So we are in the short position now. My final TP will be the midnight opening price, let's say, and our stop loss will be an inversion of this fair value gap, okay? Got it? If you get inversion here, you are out of this position. Also, this inversion will come with the candle closure above 930 opening price. So it's really nice stop loss. It's a trustable one. Let's see what is gonna happen here. As you can see, that target has been reached, right? So it's more than 100 points. Is it hard to do? No. Can you do it? I trust you. You can do it. So this strategy is the same also on the S&P 500. Let's go to S&P 500 and you can see, right? It's also going down. It's also take out the London low. Same. 930 candle closure, little chop, but you got my point. We never get the inversion over here. So it's quite easy strategy, but you have to follow my rules if you want to succeed in this game. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are still watching this video, I owe you, okay? Because I have a trust in you and I want you to succeed. So now I will give you one more bonus. Dropping it. Ready? So we have the S&P 500, we have the NASDAQ futures. If you never watch me trade live, I suggest you watch because I am executing on NASDAQ futures, but I am watching also the S&P 500. And there is a very simple reason for that. Now let's look over to this chart. What do you see? NQ has taken out the London low, but ES still didn't took it. So the bonus is dropping. If this is the case, right? If NASDAQ is ruling the market on that specific day, you will write your position on NQ until ES took that liquidity level. Am I clear? So what do you mean, Borsa? You are riding this trade, right? You took the partials here and you see that this guy still has a room to drop and it's so obvious. You can watch, you can feel the price section. I teach you, right? So what you want to do in this scenario, you can just be relaxed. You can decrease the partial size here. You can just take one or maybe two, then leave the all runners. Because there is a 70% chance this guy will come and take this. And while ES doing those, it needs to drop, right? It needs to create a new down close candles. And while ES doing those candles, there is a 70% chance minimum you will get down close candle also on the NQ. This was the bonus if you're still watching this video. Now, I want to show you one more example before I finish this video. Maybe I will drop one more bonus, so stick around. 15th of December 2025 and the time is exactly at 9:30. What do you see? Take a moment. Yes. We do have an inversion fair value gap here. So remember, we always have to have any kind of imbalance, right? And as you can see that we are trading below the 9:30 candle at the moment. Now we will zoom out. What do we have? Midnight opening price, 8:30 opening price, London low, Asia low, and the new week opening gap. What do you want to do is quite simple. No, not yet. Wait one more candle, right? Congrats. So you will come and now go for 5 contracts here. It's so easy, guys. And you will target the Asia low, let's say. Okay, or like London low, or you can, in that scenario, you can target exactly middle of it if you want to be on the safe side. And what we are planning now is take some partials, okay, previous day PM high, midnight opening price, you can take some of it the 130 price, and our stop loss is just above, yes, this inversion, plus you don't want to get a candle closure above 930. Okay, easy as it is. So we might get some retest, so to not get stopped out, let's see. Okay, you see, chopping, a new fair value gap created. You can always use those to re-enter the position. Oh, new bonus? Yes. Let's say you really like it. You like the price action, you're feeling it, you understand, you have the target, and what you want to do. The first FVG of the day, okay? This is the strategy. When the price comes and retest that, you can increase your size by 50%. So in that scenario, if you executed 5, you can go up to 7. And one more bonus. Plus, I will show you this. So you executed here, right? The price came to the 130 price. You took out a 2 partials here. And after 2 minutes, price come and retested. This is the perfect time to rebuy your shares. Okay? Short it again. Why? Because you already booked some profits. And you can use this fair value gap as your stop loss from now on. Just take it. One thing. When you have 5 minute, 1 minute and volume imbalance inside of it, this will be like super powerful thing that you can use. So stop loss is quite safe. This is it. So if you just roll it, obviously it will hit the target. There is no doubt. Boom. It filled the whole gap. Beautiful, huh? So this strategy is something you can just take it and start using today at market open. If you got stopped out today and blow your account, don't trade, my friend. You will have the days that you will getting a stopped out. But in the end of the week, you will come up with the green week. Okay? So keep that in mind. Like I always say, like I say in the beginning of the video, trust the system. This model is repeatable. And I trust you that you can do it. Your first or next payout is sitting over here. If you don't understand something, rewatch the video, okay? And if you still don't understand, ask your question in the comment section. I will answer personally one by one. So that was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching it. If you enjoyed, I highly suggest you check out my other videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.